Hello, good morning! Welcome back to my channel, Tax Tutorials for MSME. Ngayon, ang aking topic ay rental income pa rin. Pero this time, mas maliit ang rental income ng ating taxpayer. Ang kanyat palang tax types ay quarterly percentage tax, quarterly income tax, and annual income tax. For the first quarter from January 1 to March 31, 2024, ang kanyang rental income ay 35,500. So, kung i-project natin ang kanyang annual gross sales by 4, i-multiply ng 4 yung first quarter. So, 142,000 pesos lang. Kung gagamitin natin ay graduated income tax rate with optional standard deduction, 40% of 142,000 is 56,800. Taxable income is 85,200. Exempted siya dahil below 250,000 ang kanyang taxable income. Kapag OSD po ang ginagamit, meron siyang 40% na optional standard deduction based on gross sales at ang kanyang income tax rate ay based on taxable income. May exemption pa rin siya na 250,000. So, walang income tax due kung ganyan lang below 250,000 ang gross sales. Pero, meron siyang babayarang business tax. Itong quarterly percentage tax na 3% of gross sales. So, 4,260 ang estimated nating total taxes payable for the year 2023. Kumpara natin kapag gagamit tayo ng 8% income tax rate. Ang projected annual gross sales natin ay 142,000 pesos. Ang ating maximum allowable deduction ay 250,000 pesos. So, below pa siya sa allowable deduction ng ating tax code. Kapag 250,000 and below, equal lang siya ng deduction. So, zero taxable income. Wala kang babayarang income tax at percentage tax kapag ang pinili mong tax rate ay 8% income tax rate. So, mainam, mas maganda, best option, ang 8% income tax rate for taxpayers whose annual gross sales is 250,000 and below. So, ngayon, pipiliin nating income tax rate ay 8%. Andali. Ito, 8%. Dahil merong quarterly percentage tax 2551Q, ang ating taxpayer kailangan nating mag-file ng BIR Form 2551Q. So, ituturo ko na kung paano. For the whole year, walang babayaran si Sir Joel. Thank you for trusting us, Sir Joel, sa inyong filing returns. I-encode ang tax identification number. So, line of business, apartment for rent. Then, taxpayer's name, last name, first name, registered address. code, telephone number, tinatakpan ko naman tong mga personal details kasi hindi to tinatanggap ng YouTube. Email address. Ginagamit ko lang ang aking email address para ma-receive ko ang tax return confirmation receipt at i-forward na lang sa taxpayer. Active po dapat ang email address na inyong gagamitin kapag kayo ay nag-DIY filing. Okay, list of BIR forms. Look for BIR form 2551Q, quarterly percentage tax. Click fill up. Then confirm taxpayer identification number. And email address. Click submit. Email address does not match. Talino talaga ng EBIR form. Sige, may kulang akong 1 letter. Click submit. Background information save. Click fill up. Okay. Mga gustong mag-avail ng 8% income tax rate na merong 2551Q sa inyong Certificate of Registration, ito lang po ang inyong gagawin. Mag-file ng 2551Q quarterly percentage tax return on or before April 25, 2024. Kaya yung nagsasabi na hanggang March na lang daw mag-avail ng 8% income tax rate. Yung cut-off ng filing is January to March 31 for the first quarter. Tapos, ang initial filing kasi ng year 2024, ang deadline ay sa April 25, 2024. So, hanggang April 25, pwede kayong mamili ng gagamitin yung tax rate sa buong taon. So, kung napili nyo na ang 8% income tax rate, for the whole year na 8% income tax rate ang inyong gagamitin. So, dito na tayo sa item number 13. Choose 8% income tax rate on gross sales. Okay. So, nag-lock na yung mga boxes. Hindi na natin yan ma-edit. Click validate. Validation successful. Click save. Ganyan lang po kadali mag-avail ng 8% income tax rate. Hindi na kailangan pang pumunta sa Revenue District Office ng Bureau of Internal Revenue para magpa-update na mag-choose ng 8%. Sa ngayon, pwede na ring mag-avail ng 8% sa ORU, sa Online Registration and Update System ng Bureau of Internal Revenue. So, ready na. Click submit. Final copy. Click OK. Click OK. Submit successful. Close. Wala namang babayaran dahil 0 yan. I-print na. Okay. Print. Save. Page 2. Ang page 2 natin, 0 lang yan. Walang tax base. Dahil ang 8% income tax rate ay hindi nagbabayad ng quarterly percentage tax. Okay, tapos na tayo mag-file ng quarterly percentage tax. Punta na tayo sa pag-file ng quarterly income tax using 1701Q version 2018. Ito siya, 1701Q V 2018. Click fill up. Okay. For the year 2024, first quarter, taxpayer filer type is single proprietor. Ang pipiliin natin ay business income, 8% income tax rate. Then, dito sa line number 16, sa item number 16, automatic na siya nag-choose ng 8% on gross sales. Okay. Encode the date of birth, the citizenship. Okay. Naka-choose na tayo 8%. Click next para mapunta sa page 2. For 8% income tax rate sa schedule number 2, just encode 35,500 the gross sales for first quarter 2024. So, dito tayo sa line number 52, allowable reduction from gross sales for self-employed individuals in the amount of 250,000. So, ayokong nagne-negative yung aking taxable income. So, encode ko lang equal ng kanyang gross sales. So, taxable income is 35,500. Tax due is 0, exempted dahil wala pang 250,000 ang ating gross sales. Okay. Yan yung page 1. Tax due, wala, 0. Click validate. Validation successful. Click save. Click submit copy. Click OK. Slow internet connection na naman. Click OK. Submit again. Submit successful. Click OK. Walang babayaran, kaya close ko na to. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, mag-print pa rin ako nito para sure na meron akong copy. At kailangan ko itong ibigay sa taxpayer. Ang tax return confirmation receipt at ang printed forms. 1701Q. Print page 2. Second page. Okay. Tapos na po tayong mag-file ng 2551Q and 1701Q na walang binabayaran dahil 250,000 and below. Exempted ang ating taxpayer. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share my videos. Thank you so much. Bye!